Hello everyone. We are going to see about graph theory. In this video, we will learn what is application of graph, what are the types of graphs, representation of graphs in computer memory. Graphs are used to represent problem involving discrete arrangement of objects that are related to each other. A graph is denoted by G equal to V comma E. Here V denotes the set of vertices and E denotes the set of edges. Edges also called links and arcs. Vertices are also called nodes. N denotes number of vertices in a graph and M denotes number of edges in a graph. Basic terminology: adjacent vertices. Two vertices in a graph is said to be adjacent if they are connected by a single edge. Then it is called adjacent vertices. Degree of a vertex. Degree of vertex is denoted by D of V. Degree of a vertex is number of edges connected with that vertex is called degree of vertex. In degree of a vertex is number of edges end in that vertex is called in degree. Out degree of a vertex is number of edges starting from that vertex is out degree of that vertex. Pendant vertex, a vertex with only one edge is called pendant vertex. Example for degree of a vertex. In this graph, degree of V1 is 2. Degree of V2, there is no edges, so 0. Degree of V3 is 2 parallel edges and 1 more edge, so 3. Degree of 4 is 5. Here loop is considered as degree 2. Degree of V5 is 1. Degree of V6 is 3. Cut point or cut vertex of a graph. A vertex in a connected graph is called cut point or cut vertex if G minus V is disconnected. G minus V means we can get that graph by deleting V and corresponding edges connected with V. So in this graph, if we removing center vertex, then the graph will disconnect. So the center vertex is called cut vertex. Cut edge or bridge. Disconnecting a graph by removing its edge. An edge E of a connected graph is called bridge or cut edge if G minus E is disconnected. For in this example, if we removing this vertical line, that is bridge, the graph will become disconnected. So it is called cut edge or bridge. So if we removing that edge, the graph will become disconnected. Next, null graph. Graph which contains no edges is called null graph. In this example, V1 one vertex, V2 is another vertex. Here there is no edge, so this graph is called null graph. Complete graph, a graph in which every pair of vertices adjacent is called complete graph. Regular graph, graph in which degree of all vertex are same. For example, in this example, degree of all vertex are 3. So it is 3 regular graph. So regular graph means degree of all vertex are same in a graph. Bipartition graph, vertex set is partitioned into 2 subsets. So the edge should be with one end in V1 and another end in V2. These types of graphs are called bipartite graph. Next, complete bipartite graph. The bipartite graph where every vertex in V1 is connected to every vertex in V2 is called complete bipartite graph. It is a bipartite graph and also every vertex of V1 is connected to every vertex of V2. Finite graph, a graph has finite number of vertices and edges means it is finite graph. Multiple graph, a graph which consists of loop and parallel edges is called multiple graph. Otherwise, it is called simple graph. That is, a graph has neither loop nor parallel edges means it is simple graph. Subgraph, it is a part of a graph. Otherwise, a graph H of V dash E dash is a subgraph of graph G of V comma E. If V dash is a subset of V and E dash is a subset of E, then H is a subgraph of G. Connected graphs. In a connected graph, there exists at least one path between any pair of vertices. Then the graph is called connected graph. Strongly connected. Connected, there are three types: strongly connected, weakly connected, unilaterally connected. Strongly connected, path between U and V and U also exist. Strongly connected means there exists path between U to V and also V to U. Unilaterally connected means there exists a path between only U to V or V to U, but not both. Only path between U to V or V to U. Weakly connected means there is no connection in the directed graphs. For this example, first graph is V1, V4 not reachable. V1 to V4 is not reachable. So it is weakly connected. Second graph is V1 reachable to V2, but V2 is not reachable to V1. So it is unilaterally connected. Last one is V1 is reachable to V2. Also, V2 is reachable to V1. So it is strongly connected. These are example for weakly connected, unilaterally connected and strongly connected. Adjacency matrix. Adjacency matrix of a graph is an n by n matrix with Aij equal to 1 if Ui, Vj is an edge and Aij equal to 0 otherwise. If there is a connection between V1 and V2, then the value of entry is 1. Otherwise, the value of entry is 0. Let us consider this example. In this example, V1 to V1 there is no loop, so the entry value is 0. Next, V2 to V2 is no loop, so 0. V1 to V2 is there is one connection, so 1. V1 to V3 there is one connection, so 1. V1 to V4 there is no edge, so 0. V1 to V5 there is no connection, so 0. Likewise, if there is an edge between two vertices, then the entry will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. It is called adjacency matrix. Next, incidence matrix. It is an n by m matrix with entry is 1 if Vi is adjacent incident with an edge Ej, otherwise 0. In this example, if V1 is connected with E1 means V1 E1 is 1. V1 is connected with E2, so it is V1 E2 is 1. V1 is connected with E3, so V1 E3 is 1. V1 is not connected with E4, so the entry is 0. V1 E5 is connected, so it is 1. V1 E6 not connected, so 0. The edge E7 is not connected with V1, so 0. Edge E8 is not connected with the vertex V1, so it is 0. Likewise, incidence matrix is the entry will be 1 if the vertex is connected with edge, otherwise it is 0. Hamiltonian graph, a graph with closed path that includes every vertex exactly once. A closed path contains every vertex exactly once means that graph is Hamiltonian graph. A closed path contains all edges exactly once means it is Eulerian graph. This is example for Eulerian graph. Here there exists a path such that it contains all the edges exactly once. In this video, we have learned basic terminology, various types of graphs, representation of graphs in computer memory, that is adjacency matrix and incidence matrix. Thank you.